Hi there. In this short video I want to give a little update on the activities of the Wurth Chair here at the University of Luxembourg. In the last week I was able to make the first couple of international research visits. I started out at the Helmholtz Zentrum Berlin in Berlin, obviously, where I met with Matthew Meyer and his research group looking at electroconversion of molecules, in particular CO2 and CO. The conversion of CO2 is very relevant to our work with hydrogen here in the Wurth Chair because together with renewable sources of CO2 and hydrogen we can use power to X type applications to create new, valuable and important molecules. They have some very interesting technical approaches. I had a good look in their labs and I was very impressed with the work that they're doing. I hope that we find some ways to work together. I went to Great Britain for the first time since the COVID pandemic. I met with my colleagues in the Department of Chemical Engineering, where I still hold a visiting professorship. I gave a seminar about the activities planned here in the Wurth Chair, and together we talked at quite some length. On Friday, I was in the Department of Chemical Engineering at the University of Surrey. So there is some really exciting work underway there in that department. In particular, I met one of their newer members of staff, Dr. Melis Dua, and she has some really exciting projects kicking off in the area of simultaneous CO2 capture and conversion. And my final visit was to the University of Newcastle. So Newcastle is a very strong university in engineering and in particular with membrane applications. I was very pleased to be hosted by Dr. Greg Much and his colleagues. I gave a short talk over morning tea there, and really they have some fascinating applications of membranes, in particular high temperature membranes, for simultaneous capture and conversion of a range of different molecules. We talked a little bit about ammonia. Both the synthesis of ammonia and the decomposition of ammonia are very relevant to applications of green hydrogen, because ammonia is an important vector that may be used for storage and transport of hydrogen. Overall, it was great to get out and about to talk to international colleagues about the work that we've got planned here, but in particular to explore opportunities to collaborate. The Wurth Chair will be a chair that works together with colleagues here in Luxembourg, in the greater region, but more widely in Europe and around the world. And this past week, it was great to make a start on building those networks.